So, yeah, my neighbor and I are having a large soft maple taken down, and operator's name's Mike. So it's split right firewood service. It's one of those clamp things that it's got the chainsaw bar in it, cuts it off. So I'm getting some firewood. There's number one.
Is he just going to trim it or take it down?
He's just taking it down.
Oh. So what's going
Trying to give you guys an overview of the whole tree. Josh and I and whoever else are gonna cut it up. Here's a, I don't know how big that is. It's got to be easy 3 feet. Here's the machine. It's a Magni. Yeah, split right. Firewood and tree service. Tree removal. Yeah. And he puts it in my yard. Oh, it extends. Look at that thing. Closing it back up. Oh, we're going for another one. I'm going to try and keep this short, so one more. Oh, where he's going next. I guess that thing has a almost full 360-degree swivel. He said he can get about any angle with it, so. Oh, we're going for a bigger one this time. I'm moving while he's moving, so pardon my amateur camera work. I'm just a hobbyist. Pretty good sized limb. So anyway, I think we're into long form video territory now. Extending it back out a little. I guess I know what I'm doing in the rain today, because it's supposed to rain, possibly thunderstorm. We'll get you one more. It'll be a short, long video. Hole's getting bigger. Maybe after he drops this one, maybe I can ask him to stop so I can get a look inside the clamp. Yeah. Okay, I see the one he's going after. Crunch. I think he just broke it off instead of cutting it. Yep. Well, that works too. He did. That one broke. He broke it off instead of cutting that one. That one's only, I don't know, 5 inches maybe. Tree moving. There's your trees walking across the woods. I'll go see if I can get a shot of the... Can I get a shot of this? That's the business end. Alright, everybody. I'll see you later. We're gonna... it's more than just this tree, so maybe I'll do another one for you. See ya.